Alright, today I will be reviewing this Volport 360 rotatable magnet car mount for your mobile device. Alright, let's open this up and let's see what's inside. So you have the magnet mount right here. You have the faceplate, and you have two different sizes of metal plate that you could use to stick onto your phone. And how this works is this goes onto your dashboard. This faceplate is basically sticks onto here, and it can rotate 360. It's a pretty strong magnet, so you probably have to put some force into it to move it around. Then after that, you stick this on the back of your phone, and you use this side to attach it to the faceplate, and that's how the phone stays on to the magnet. Also, in the package it comes with 4 sticky pads for the magnet and alcohol prep, so that you can prep your surface so it remove any dust or dirt. So now I'm going to go ahead and mount this onto the dash. Alright, so first I'm going to put this faceplate onto the phone. If you have a pop socket, it's fine too. This is the smallest size, so I chose this size to fit right here. If you want, you could choose a bigger size, but might look awkward. So I'm going to go ahead and use this small size and stick it on here. So I'm going to go ahead and peel this off. Stick it behind the pop socket. Alright, next I'm going to prep where I want this magnet to be. I'm going to leave it at the middle of the dash. So I got my alcohol prep pad. I'm going to go ahead and wipe away any residue or dirt. I'm going to go ahead and let it dry. Alright, once the prep side is clean, I'm going to go ahead and peel off the sticker. And then I'm going to center this. Just press it down really hard. Hold it for I think about 2 minutes, so that it could stick onto the dash. Or else if you pull off or you let go prematurely, it's not going to have enough pressure to stick onto the dash. So make sure you press down and hold. Alright, after 2 minutes up, go ahead and take your faceplate, put it in back of the phone, and center it, and then I'm going to stick onto it, and that's it. That's how you use this Volport magnet car mount for your phone. After driving for a couple of days, I removed the magnetic mount from the middle of the dash to on top of the dash right here, and I removed the old sticky because it wasn't sticking, so I applied new ones. Pretty simple to remove and install. The reason why I chose to mount my magnetic mount up here is because I could put my phone vertically and rotate it horizontally. If my magnetic mount was in the middle of the dash, it only could be horizontally. It can't be vertically because it's too high. So that's why I chose that area. This magnetic mount is $16.99, but I have a coupon code. We'll take off $8.09 off. Your total will be $8.90. This is great for a stocking stuffer, and Christmas is right around the corner, so get it before Christmas, or you can get it after and give it to somebody who needs this. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. Until next time.